In this video, you are going to know about the basics of Python, like introduction, features, programming modes used in Python. Who created this language? Guido van Rossum. He was worked in CWI, which is a National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. He was developed in this language in the year 1991. Why the name is Python? In 1970s, BBC telecasts a comedy series, Monty Python's Flying Circus. From this, Python got its name, Python. Features of Python. Python is a general purpose programming language. That means we can use Python programs for any purpose like scientific and non-scientific needs. Users can use the Python programs. Next one, platform independent. We can access Python programs in any operating systems like Windows, Macintosh, iOS, Android. We can access Python programs. So it is called as platform independent. Next one, easily readable and understandable. Even the beginners of the Python programmers also easily understand the codings of Python. So it is easy to handle the codings. Next, Python programs can be written in two ways. One is interactive mode, next one script mode. In next video we will see how to work in interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode. Interactive mode allows to write Python codes in Python prompt shown on the screen. In Python prompt, we can directly type the codes and get the results immediately on the screen, like a calculator. For example, if you want to add two numbers in calculator, how will you add the number? Just press the number 5 plus 10 and get the results immediately. Likewise, in Python, we can get the answer immediately. The command for opening the interactive mode: start all programs, Python 3.x, IDLE. The script interactive mode window will appear. Next one, script mode. A script mode is a text file that contains Python statements. Script modes, we can use the codings in future. So it is a reusable codes. Next, we can edit the scripts in Python script mode. The command used for open the script mode is file, new file, or press Ctrl plus N. These are the basics of Python.